How to customize Spotify on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Spotify application on your iPhone. Go to the bottom panel and tap on your library. Here, you can view all your playlists. Select any playlist you want to customize. On this page, tap on the three dots icon as shown to open the menu. From the menu, select Edit Playlist. If you want, you can remove songs from the playlist. Tap on the three dots icon again. Then, go to Name and Details. Here, you can change the name and description of your playlist. You can also make the playlist private from here by tapping on the Make Private option below. From the pop-up menu, tap on Save Changes, then select Make Private. Your playlist is now private. To create a new playlist, go back and tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Next, tap on Playlist at the very top. Give your playlist a name, then tap on Create. You can now add songs from the recommended list below by tapping on the small plus icon beside any songs. Following these steps, you can easily customize Spotify on an iPhone.